guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm actually doing a video that I don't think I've ever done before. This is like, how do they explain? Taste test. It's like, okay, so it has all these chocolates in it, and I don't know what kind they are, but I'm pretty sure it's like giving hints, but I don't know what kind, and I'm going to give my legitimate reaction. So let's get into it. Okay, so first, some of the chocolates are flipped upside down. This is like the first time. Let's get into it. I don't know if it gives hints to what it is. It doesn't show anywhere on the box. It just shows how to like do taste test, a blind test. So I'm guessing this is like salt and caramel. Tell you how. Oh, and I got this from like Trader Joe's. So if you wanna go get this. Oh, and I'm gonna have someone be editing this. His link will be in the description. His Twitter link and his YouTube channel link. It will also be in the end of the video. I'll also explain it in the end of the video. He's gonna be editing this because my editor's crap. Okay, That's salty. It's really salty. It has caramel, which I really like. It's dark chocolate. It's really good, but it's salty as crap. Oh my gosh. Maybe to keep this video shorter, because I kind of filmed this at the last moment. Like half of it. Oh my gosh. Salty. Yeah, this one. Okay. Let me try this. It's so hard. I don't exactly know what flavor this is. I've had it before, I think. Let me just say, Trader Joe's, they make some good chocolate. Ow. Okay. And that salty one, like the sea salt. Salt went all over my table. Okay. This one. Let me try this. Let me just, okay. You heard that? Crunch. What the heck is this flavor? Okay, I need a barf thing, like not a spit bag. Oh my god. I'm not eating that one fully. It's disgusting. I have tissues. Okay, so that's the first tissue used. Disgusting. I'm trying to find the ones that look good because, like, that's a whole stripe. So, it has to be good, right? Let me just say, this already smells bad. No. 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 Disgusting. Oh. I just looked at this and it says answers on the bottom. I guess there's answers on the bottom of this. I'm not looking though. I haven't checked that out. Okay. This one. I don't know why, but when I picked it up, I started getting the taste in my mouth for, like, coconut. One of those might have been coconut. This might be coconut, actually. Oh, gosh. Just the look of it. What is this? What is this? I don't like it though. Not good. Not something I would eat. Hopefully some of the ones that I eat half of, my parents will eat. This one has a failed attempt at making a star on it. I don't know if you can see that. A failed attempt. Sad thing is you can't smell it much at all, like what's inside. Oh gosh. What the heck? Oh, okay. I thought it had like strawberry stuff in it. I'm like, what? Heck is this? It felt like I had a stroke. Oh my god. It's like cinnamon or something. Or some kind of thing that like is spicy or something. I don't know. So many. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 more. Well, it has like a burning sensation in the back of my throat. Mmm. 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 This is coffee flavored. My mom would like that, I think. I'm just gonna leave that there. Just gonna put it back together. Just gonna put it back together. It's a little disgusting, mate. Okay. Like, you could tell it was coffee. I can eat right into it. Okay, I got in. No, no, no. Not today. So this one, which actually has a good star in there, I guess. Okay, got through that one quick. See, little fudge. Actually tastes pretty good. That's pretty good. Insert meme here. I'm hoping this isn't supposed to be a star. That's the most crappiest star ever. Oh my gosh. Let me just mention, I'm not much of a chocolate connoisseur. So, you know what? I'm gonna take it like a man. 2 more. Oh god. Okay. Kind of looks the same as the other one. That's coconut. I think that's coconut. I just got like a little hit of coconut. Yeah, it's coconut. No, it's not. Oh, what is it? Whatever. One more. One more little piece. Shut up. One more little piece of torture. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I hate when that happens. Oh my god. That was some like snail crap right there. Let me look at the bottom. Okay. Okay. So the star was toffee apple. What the heck? Let me just read you all the flavors. Toffee apple, chili, hot, blood orange ballistic, fig and honey, butterscotch, strawberry and black pepper, maple, halloumi salted. Actually, salted. Coconut. I knew there was a coconut. Stem ginger, double espresso, and vanilla. So, hopefully, my dude is editing this, which his name is, well, okay, his Twitter, I think, is the doctor, and his YouTube channel will be in the link description, and hopefully I can add him right here, because I don't know the exact name of his YouTube channel, but he's a good friend of mine. He's, like I said, hopefully editing this video. Hopefully he does it good because he edits his videos really good. So that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully this is filming because they kind of suck. It's kind of suck, but I have most of them here. So, it's whatever. So hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!